Hi everyone, welcome back. I am doing another episode on YouTube. Today's inspiration, if you have not guessed, is the parrot. It's a little tropical, it's a little wild, it's a little funky, it's a little colorful, it's a lot of playful. So I'm gonna take you on this journey and show you some really fun things that we're doing. I've got some yarrow and gloriosa, and I've got some hydrangea. I've got some yellow feathers, very Brazil-like, yeah. And you've got some dried botanicals in all these different shades of like blues, oranges, reds, and greens. And you got a palm leaf. And I'm gonna go ahead and start this. And then you have all these vases that are, this is in the emerald green, and then this is obviously in the lime green. This is a little bit more modern, this is a little bit more traditional, but how I'm going to mix that all up together is gonna be amazing. If this is the first time you're tuning in, you're gonna enjoy this video. I'm here to really inspire everyone to think out of the box, use unusual materials together, and I want you to subscribe to my channel. I want you to like and comment. It's okay, even those comments that you guys are making that you think is negative, I really don't mind. Actually, I'm listening to them, I'm paying attention, and we're doing an amazing job doing these videos. I know that you guys are enjoying these because I'm getting a good feedback. And make sure that you actually go on our YouTube community page. There's a lot of newest announcements that are going to be there first. And what I'm doing is I'm taking my hydrangeas on these colored vases, the darker, and I'm cutting them. I'm just hitting it on the lip of the container. And then I'm going to come back and do all these. I'm going to cut this a little bit further down. There we go. And then I'm going to go in and do all these flowers. And I'm doing like 1, 2, 3 stems, just very loosely. And you'll see that I will go back and I will add like a tropical greenery to this. This is gonna come out really fun. Got the gloriosa. Sorry, I'm in my thoughts right now, trying to figure out like how to use the dried ones in here to make it look really amazing. And not necessarily in this one. Go back in here. And then I'm taking some of this green and I'm gonna clean out the bottom and leave the top part of the leaf. And this method is done so that it doesn't become very heavy visually. See? Look how cool this looks. It's a great technique. And I'm gonna do that with all the vases, all of the ones that I just did. And you see when I style it, you'll see right now it's going to be blocking certain pieces and so forth, but you'll make sense of it once it's all put together. Cool, huh? I think it's really cool. And I don't know if I want to throw those leaves out necessarily. So I'm done with this. And there's all of this, right? what I can do is keep these. I'm gonna move these over. So you see all of this? I can easily throw this out, but I think I'm gonna keep them. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my yarrow and I'm gonna group this like this. And then I'm gonna give you a little bit of usage on these dried materials. And again, it's too long for me, so I'm gonna cut them up. Look, that like bright orange, almost a fluorescent orange is so cool. And now I'm going to do some of the blue, the rabbit tails. This is dyed. Look at that, it's fun. Then I'll take a little bit more yarrow and I'll group this one more time. And right now, you're thinking there's so many colors. How is this gonna work? Look at that, so cool. And then that's not gone to waste. And you can do this, and you can even paint this if you want. Kind of reminds me of feathers too. I know, I have sometimes a wild imagination. And some of these are the tails of it, so I need to move it around. Again, I'm gonna take some yarrow, do grouping, cluster, like this. And I'm gonna take a little bit of the orange. And on this one, I'm gonna mix a little bit of red this time. Cut this, add more yarrow, and then cut and place in the vase. Cool, that's coming out. And since I have my red here, I'm going to take this one and group this together. Here's the ends again, one more time. We're gonna use these extra leaves that we cut off. And this time, we're gonna go into a little bit of green. And then I'm gonna do the yarrow. I might be able to mix another color in here. I'm okay with that. Maybe the blue, just to pop out that color. These little things are so annoying when they get wrangled up. And I'm trying to do this video fast so that you can see how it's styled at the end. And then you've got a couple more here. I'm done with this. Sorry, it took a little longer than I wanted to take. And we have this right here. And that's it. I'm gonna show you later what I'm gonna do with the other two vases when I'm styling it. But for right now, I'm gonna clean off the table. And then I'm gonna style it. And then we're gonna come back and I'm just gonna do a little bit of finishing touches to make this pull together all. So we're back. There's some of these feathers I've did on a wire, wooden, and I'm going to, here, I'm gonna put it in this, the one with the hydrangeas in there, because I think it adds a little bit of character to it. I think it's fun. There's an extra one that I did, it's fine. And then I'm gonna take my Gloriosa. So this is the last beautiful stem of Gloriosa lily that we put in there. It's multiple stems. And these amazing arrangements and inspiration that are mixed with fresh and dried flowers, and it's got feathers in there, and it's got all these whimsical and playfulness, very Brazilian theme party-like, using dark and light colored vases. I think it came out amazing. I hope you're inspired one more time. Thank you for watching my YouTube videos. We're gonna post a lot of things on the community page, so follow that as well. All right, guys, I thank you one more time for taking the time and watching these videos, and peace out.